Hey CPA, guess what today is? It's Gordon Ramsay Day. We get to share our culinary talents, some fun things we like, maybe even a fun restaurant you like. There's so many things we can do in the culinary arts, and even if you're gonna make it, if you're gonna buy it, or if you're gonna go sit in and eat it, please share us on Flipgrid. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys a couple of examples of what you can do. Okay, but just look at how beautiful these coconut bites I made were. I mean, yep, I definitely made them. They're so good. Definitely worth a try. Okay, wait a second. Did you guys see what I just saw? Let's rewind the clip. See right there? That is a container that they were bought in. That is actually considered cheating. Let's see a different way we can go about doing this. Look at these coconut bites. Yeah, I bought them from this El Camino Real Bakery. Yeah, they're so good. One of my favorite snacks. Definitely worth a try. To live like I was under attack. Like I said earlier, it is completely fine to buy something that's your favorite. I mean, like I just shared, those coconut bites are so good, and I wanted to share those with you guys. So you don't have to make it, you don't have to go to a restaurant, feel free to.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Feel free to pick something out of your pantry that you love. Like, you have a favorite brand of chips? I mean, my favorite are Flamin' Hot Cheeto Puffs. But, I mean, there's so many options, so I'd love for you to go, pick a food you like, and show it to us. The main goal of Spirit Week here at CPA is to strengthen and build the community of our student body through Christ. Because if we are not strengthening our student body, we are going to be lonely and sad and by ourselves doing school, and nobody wants to do that. So one way that we are doing this is by tying in Gordon Ramsay Day, like I've said. We are going to be able to share some of our fun foods, favorite restaurants, etc. And you really get to just show and see if you have any similarities here with your friends at CPA. And the best part is that the winner of today's category is going to win a $20 Amazon gift card to spend on whatever you want. Maybe it's a new kitchen supply, maybe it's your favorite food that you're going to buy on Amazon, or maybe it's that really cool Bluetooth speaker you've been eyeing. So make sure to participate because it's going to be so much fun, and I can't wait to see your guys' stuff.